It all began with the idea of spring pressure connection technology. We are world market leaders for this. We later became trailblazers in digitization thanks to our automation technology. Our products connect, control, regulate, and network. In industry, in buildings, trains, or ships. Produced with maximum precision for optimum safety and reliability. As a family-owned company, innovations are developed in the team. We invest in Germany as a place to do business. We are represented in 50 countries and are therefore present wherever you need us for short lines of communication routes and personal support on location. Discover what's behind WAGO products and what solution we have developed for your sector.